Hi, this is Smita, a personal empowerment life coach and an executive coach. And today, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 creative ways to calm a chaotic mind. Do you ever feel like you can't escape your mind? Does your mind always spin out of control? Or perhaps you have a lot of thoughts going on here? Quite a few people experience chaos in their minds, and this can make things difficult when you are trying to work towards your goals. Today, I'm sharing my tips, the tips I personally use to keep my mind calm. So, the next time your mind is filled with confusion, try one of these 5 creative ways to alleviate your stress. Ready? Here we go. Number 1, keep your mind busy. There's a delicate balance between keeping your mind busy without overcrowding it. It's one thing to occupy your mind so it does not wander, but it's a whole different ballgame when you start stressing out about your endless to-do lists and information overload. Try to write 3 to 5 things you want to accomplish every day, and be sure to add at least one thing there that is purely for fun. This will keep your mind busy without getting you too stressed. Number 2, help others. When was the last time you extended a helping hand to someone who needs it? Our brains tend to calm down when we are in the helper mode because the focus is on others rather than our own problems and stressors. Number 3, pick up a creative hobby. We all have a creative side, whether it's deep down or whether you are continuously flexing your creative muscles. Picking up a creative hobby gives your brain a nice healthy break from the usual grind. Plus, it allows you to expand your intelligence with new forms of thinking. Win-win. For me, as a coach, my creative hobby, in fact, it's much more than hobby, is writing. And that gives me a lot of calms amidst the chaos that sometimes happens around me. Pick your creative pick. Number 4, care for your body. The mind and body work hand in hand a lot. So, if you aren't caring for your physical being, you may notice some stress going on in your head. Take out the time to care for your body. Work out more, take a walk, draw a bath, or snooze your alarm clock. There are lots of ways to re-energize your body so that you take on more in your mind in a refreshing manner. Number 5, connect with others. Helping others and connecting with other people are 2 totally different things, but both are essential aspects of cultivating an active, healthy mind. As humans, we need socialization. We thrive when we are part of a tribe. We crave human interaction time. So get out there and get social. Every laugh and bit of chatter will feed your mind in countless ways. Call a friend and have lunch in the park. It doesn't have to be something big since the goal is simple human connection. In moments of chaos, focus on the present, letting go of worries about the past or future. Embrace gratitude for the small blessings amidst the chaos. Remember, within the storm lies the opportunity for inner peace to prevail. Try these 5 creative ways that I shared with you and tell me how it goes. That was all for today, friends. If you liked what you saw in this video, please drop in a comment and share it in your network. I'll see you the next time. Until then, bye-bye.